Hey guys, we're out in the Okanagan Valley here having an awesome little snow track, and I brought my flare gun. And I've never used it before, never tried it, but we're going to see how much, essentially, can it go through a piece of wood. And it's like a shotgun shell. You can get these everywhere. And the trigger does nothing until you cock it. Close range quarters. You ready, Q-Man?
We're ready. Let's see what it does. You missed.
It
You
shoots
hit the
high.
can. It shoots high. How many shots do you have?
I don't want to use them all, but yeah, I got some more. Whoa, look at the can.
You put a big hole in the can. That's awesome.
I don't think I'd want to get shot with that, dude.
No, you would not want to get shot with that. Not at close range.
Hey, look, it went through the snow.
But where's the flare? I guess I'm not to just put it out.
It's still back there. I don't know. Oh, there it is, maybe over there.
That's hilarious. That's awesome.
I don't know if I want to walk right there. I don't know. Stop the camera, though. Thanks, guys, for watching. Fuck, dude, that was loud. Look, it went all the way through here. Oh, I lost it in the snow.
Well, now you got to try and put it through the wood this time.